I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my Dollar Tree haul. So I do have like 2 other hauls after this, girl. Yeah, they're finally adding some cool stuff. Not a lot of makeup, to be honest, but a lot of other amazing things. So if you want to see what I picked up in this trip, just keep on watching. So I'm just gonna pull out, this is a bunch of random stuff, girl. Again, not a lot of makeup, household things that I'm gonna use. First off, this is super random, but I did go ahead and pick up this pocket size word hunt. It is volume 78. I don't know what that means, but you know, at work during lunchtime, after my lunch, I don't like to just sit around and watch videos the whole time. So I am wanting to do stuff, maybe like write down some affirmations, maybe write down what I'm grateful for, but also I want some time to do a little bit of a word hunt. And these are like, obviously they're not super hard, but there's a look at that. So I'm like, girl, let's try it. I picked up one from the Dollar Tree and I can use that during my lunch, so why not? So I did go ahead and pick up a headband. This is from Sophi, and this is just their headband, that's what it's called. It's just pink and cute. I have a lot of pinky kind of shirts, so I'm like, girl, this is gonna match them perfectly. It's almost like that neon kind of shade. It's so pretty, and literally $125. It also has this like inside portion, not sure, I think it's just like anti-slip kind of vibe. So there it is without the little things. So cute. Ooh, I forgot to pick these up. So I did go ahead and pick up some lashes. These are from Be Color, and these are their jeweled faux mink eyelashes, and these have like little gems on them. So I guess I wanted to use them. I don't know when, I don't know for what, but I picked them up, and there's a close-up look at those. Oh, I also picked up these Be Color ombre faux mink 3D lashes. So these have some blue little lashes in there. These would have been perfect for today, but there's a close-up look at those. They do have some blue to them if you look really closely. They're ombre vibes. So I picked up some free gel cough drops. You guys know I always pick up the hauls, which I did pick up in this order as well, but I wanted to try these from the Dollar Tree and see if they work for me, and I love the lemon flavor. So yeah, and you guys know I always have to have these on hand whenever I'm feeling a little bit of a tickle now that the weather's changing. Yeah, yes, I saw this from Be Pure. This is a face and neck lifting roller. So basically you just use it like she's using it right here. We're gonna try it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open this. So there's a look at the contraption. Oh, so you just use it and you roll it. Oh, cool. Okay, it looks really intriguing. Let me know if you've used this from the Dollar Tree. Does it work for you? Saw that they had this cute bath sponge at the Dollar Tree, and it's a cute little like flower. I'm always buying the shower gels from Dollar Tree, so I'm like, girl, why not? Let's try it out. It's super soft vibe, so can't wait to use this. So cute, and it does come with a little hanging thing. I also picked up a shower gel. Oh, this is a body wash. Okay, so I picked up this. So where is this from? Aromatherapy Signature Ginger Citrus Scented Body Wash. Love that it comes with a pump. So convenient. I might even just use the same like container and like fill it up and like refill, because I love that it comes with a pump. It's so quick and easy. But yeah, I did go ahead and buy another body wash. I really love the body washes from the Dollar Tree. They work for me. They smell amazing and they lather well. So I haven't used anything from this brand as like the body wash. I've used their lotion and it's really nice, but their body washes I haven't, so we'll see. I guess I picked up another little bookie situation. This is their pocket puzzle word finds a large print, and this is volume 149. Again, same situation. This one's just a little bigger or whatever. And lastly, I went ahead and picked up another Remi Rose liquid lipstick. This is their one in Lindsay. It just looks so beautiful, and I don't think I own this color, so I was like, girl, I love this formula. A close-up look at that. You guys know I own many of these. Let's look at the shade Lindsay. Ooh, so cute. Definitely am into these lighter shades when I do have a dark brown lip liner. It makes me comfortable to throw this on the center and just tap it out, almost like a blotted look, and it looks stunning. So really love that color. Really happy that I picked this up, and all the other products I'm definitely going to use them. You guys are going to hear about them in my empties videos when I use them up. Obviously you guys are going to know what my thoughts are on them. So if you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul, definitely let me know in the comments down below so I can keep making them. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.